going to make that, well, I'm going to hopefully make that look a lot more attractive and sound better by replacing it for that. So, wrap on the lift and let's start undoing bolts, I suppose. So obviously the first thing to do is to do a sound check, because everybody does a sound check. Let's open that, let the exhaust fumes out, start her up. Standard exhaust at 1500 revs. And it's not very loud. So let's see what we can do to improve that by putting that bad boy on. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is take off this heat shield and then take off that one. I really have got to get a bigger tripod. That's what she said. Might not be the best camera angle for you, but there you go. Right, so that's that off. So that's the heat shields. So that's the heat shields off. And then undo this clamp underneath. Right, so that's just got a locating pin there, just holding that in there. So the next thing to do is undo it from the foot peg and take it off. That's that off. Right, because it's such a tight fit, that was the gasket that came off, but because it's such a tight fit with this one, I'm just going down the exhaust paste route and hopefully that will seal it. If not, I'll have to figure something else out. But no, so I'm going down, as I say, because it's such a tight, it's almost like an interference fit. And because obviously I don't want exhaust gases escaping, I can't get the gasket in because obviously that's too thick. So I've put exhaust paste on there and I'll try that out. Right, so stuff the exhaust back on. Let's say it's a in fact, I'm going to put a bit more of that on. That's a bit better, a bit of a thicker layer. And then look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. Oh, it fits spot on. Like that. Wipe off some of the excess. Bring the clip up. Where we go now? Right, I'm going to tighten this up so it's located, just in case there's any twist or anything when I tighten the clamp up on the exhaust. Right, so clamps done up underneath, 10mm spanner on the Ixil clamp that they supplied. Obviously done that up, 6mm Allen key, 12mm spanner on the back, a little bit of thread locker on there, and hopefully with the exhaust gunk on there, what was it called, Holt's gum or something, yeah, with a bit of fire gum in there. When it gets warm, that's meant to set, same as regular gum. And there you go. The idea of getting this particular exhaust was the fact it's matte black from back here right the way forward. I know it's got the chrome ends, but I think they're alright actually. And obviously the old exhaust was matte black right the way back to here, but had the matte black heat shields on as well, which encased it, so it came out with the underskirt here, the belly pan bit, and this was the closest I could get. There's a lot of them out there. I was looking at the Yoshimura and obviously Yoshimura, or the Akrapovic, whatever you want to say it, however you want to say it. And you could get either the carbon effect, which I'm not keen on putting on the bike, or matte black. I don't know whether they did a matte black, but like Delvic or Beowulf and that would do a matte black, but it would only come to here, and then you'd have the link pipe, and it was all chromed, and usually the end pipe was an off colour as well. And it's like, so this is the closest I could get. Listened to a couple of videos about how it sounds, and I think it sounds quite nice, but that was on video, which funnily enough is how you're going to listen to it now. Well, if you stay tuned, is how you're going to listen to it now. Get some ventilation. So I'm a bit nervous because it's like, that didn't seem to take very long at all, which it shouldn't really. 2 bolts. Here we go. Oh, that's got a bit more meat than 2 veg. Oh yeah. Video's probably not doing anything for it, but definitely a lovely, oh yeah, definitely a lovely deeper sound. Yes, I like that. I do like that, and I think it looks jolly good on there. Jolly good, old boy. In fact, I think it looks very good on there, very sexy. What do you reckon? Comments underneath. And that is an Ixil L3XB. What I didn't check for was any blows. There you go, what do you reckon?